Attorney's Office in downtown Buffalo. We just came from the Buffalo Police District B headquarters, where we spoke with an officer that took Act Now Media's complaint on April 30th. And this was tied to an assault conducted upon Act Now Media here by a Buffalo Public Schools employee. His name is John M. Palomara. He's a buyer with the Buffalo City School District. And we presented a new piece of evidence to Buffalo Police today. It's a video of the assault and battery itself. We did not have that at the time of the incident because the phone it was recorded on was destroyed by Mr. Palomara. And we were also advised by Buffalo Police that, hey, you may want to check in with the district attorney's office regarding the status of Mr. Palomara's court date and show them that evidence as well. So that's what we're here to do today. Let's do it. You're the complainant. I'm here to document your story. Don't want to bring in any contraband. I'll have to grab that on the way out. How are we doing today, sir?
Doing well. How are you?
Good.
You keep okay. I was gonna say you keep that on if you want.
That's all right. You need belt too?
Yes, please.
All right, got it. There you are.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. All right, DA's office. 4-6. Okay.
It's pretty easy. Once you've done it 5 times,
Yeah, because I have no experience with flatbed. So like that's the only thing I'm worried about. Like, dude, I don't know what I'm doing with flatbed. I can drive a truck.
All right, going up to 4-6.
Yeah, no, never.
we do have some doubles too. Where it's about B trains.
Do they train us on that?
Yes, when I started 12 years ago, I never drove doubles. I never drove. I never did flatbed. They truck out and all. They'll teach on that.
Having them
They just want you to have at least 2 years of driving.
Oh, no.
And the ability to go in mechanic.
God.
Or so.
Okay, so that's okay. Well,
They may have you talk to a public affairs person. That happened to me before, but no, we're more interested in speaking with the prosecutor.
Yeah.
You know, at a basic level, get some information on this. Yeah. We want to, because you want to find out that court date.
Yep.
6th floor. Going up.
There we are.
Do not pull. It's like a press buzzer. There's a press here.
Hey, how you doing today? I was the victim of an assault. I'd like to talk to someone in the DA's office about the case and get some updates on what's going on with it.
You have an open case?
I believe so, yes.
Give your name.
My name is Dwayne Whitmer. Thank you. They're gonna send someone out.
Could be. That's fine. Last time I was here, you could walk right through this door, sit in the public lobby there. But I guess
What happened? Well, now they have signs.
I guess you can't do that anymore.
They have signs.
Use of cameras or other audio-video recording devices by the public are prohibited in the district attorney's office. All right. Well, we can speak out here, I suppose.
recording?
Yes.
You're not supposed to. We ask that no one record
Oh.
here.
Well, this is a public area, right? Oh. What's public to me? Well, folks, looks like we might have some issues here. They've since put up some signs from when I was last here. Use of cameras or other audio video recording devices by the public are prohibited in the district attorney's office. Unauthorized use will result in your removal from the premises. I don't think I'm in the office. And that office clearly seems to be public. Maybe that's a new directive put in place by the new district attorney, or fairly new district attorney. I think when I was last here, John Flynn was still the district attorney. Maybe you want to try to give him a phone call while we're hanging out here.
Going down. Going down.
Okay, but wait, you gotta wait till their elevator closes, and then you can push it. Okay, now push down, please, down. Thank you. How you doing? Good.
Is this necessary?
Yeah, so I'll just give you a little bit of a background of what's going on here. So this gentleman is a member of Independent Press. We were at Buffalo Public Schools April 30th last week. He was asking questions about the allegations made by Officer High from Buffalo Police with respect to the schools. He was assaulted by a school employee on premises there. That individual was arrested by Buffalo Police. He was charged with criminal mischief in the third. At the time, we didn't have video evidence of the assault because the assailant destroyed the camera, destroyed the screen. We were able to repair that camera, get the video off of it, and present that to Buffalo Police today. So they advised us to do two things. One, check in with the district attorney's office about the assaulter's court date, when that's going to happen, if it's already happened, and also have you take a look at that evidence too for the benefit of this.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're the victim? Yes, sir. Okay. There's another reason I asked you to record because there are children and victims that come in here.
Oh, sure. I'm not trying to record them.
Well, you're making them feel really uncomfortable.
Okay.
Okay? So, have some sympathy for them, okay?
All right.
So you just need to find out what the status of this case is?
Yeah, it's a court case.
Okay. Have you been here before?
No.
Okay. So what's the purpose of all of this that you're doing here? I'm just curious.
Just document.
With respect to recording the interaction, it's an ongoing media investigation into what's happening in Buffalo Public Schools and what the law enforcement follow-up is regarding this assault.
Okay. I would just ask you to have respect for other people that are coming in the building as victims and witnesses.
Well, he's a victim too.
I know, but he's not the only one.
Sure.
Like all those people that just left.
Yeah, and I just want to make you aware, if I could, that when that occurred, I did notice a child was coming out, and I did this.
And I appreciate it, and that's all I'm
Okay,
asking.
because I'm not trying to record any child victims.
Okay.
We're actually, part of this investigation is to help child victims.
Okay, good.
In the school system,
glad to
so,
hear that.
yeah, so that's what this is all about.
Okay.
Yep.
Do you know what DNA has in this case?
I don't know anything. That's what I'm here for. go to in recording in public is the victims and the children.
I appreciate his concern. I mean, I think I did, I did not put the child on screen, and I don't have a problem going off screen so that children can walk by who might be victims. No issue there.
I get it. It's just,
I'm just trying to document, listen, we have an issue in Erie County with transparency in government and actual judicious, aggressive follow-up of crimes. So we're just trying to make sure that correct follow-up is occurring. That's all that this is. So for anyone just joining us, we're here to try to determine the court date for John Palomara, the Buffalo Public Schools employee that assaulted this independent journalist from Act Now Media. So we're just waiting on some follow-up from the district attorney to get more information on that court date. And we want them to take a look at the evidence too that's on the phone now. That's important for them to see. So that we can demonstrate, this is, to me, this is clear assault and battery.
Going up.
Chris Schaefer says lawsuits affect change. Yeah, oftentimes they do. I think hopefully in this instance, we don't have to pursue a lawsuit. We're just hoping that the legal system will produce justice for this individual right here who was assaulted by a Buffalo Public Schools employee for simply asking questions as an independent journalist. How you doing? Shaky Smoker 1. Nope, looks like we got a response here.
Mr. Weber,
Yes.
I hope this satisfies you. So, I don't know if you know what's on here, but he was arrested.
Yep.
He got an appearance ticket.
Yep.
He was arrested on the 28th. He got an appearance ticket. He's getting arraigned on the 13th.
Okay.
Okay.
Buffalo City Court.
Okay.
Right now, it's in part 3. That could change
What's part 3?
in city court. That's the part of court.
Oh, okay, sorry, yeah.
And right now, it's on the books for 9:30.
Perfect.
On that day.
Perfect.
This is the 88 that has that case.
Do you have his contact information by chance?
The 88?
Yeah.
You just looking for a phone number?
Yeah, that'd be great.
Yeah.
Just be this up, yeah, I'll Because what I'll call him. Get more information and send you.
Yeah, you would want to, well, it's up to you. I would recommend showing the ADA that video.
I'm gonna call him, get his contact
Yeah.
information, I'm gonna email him the file.
Yeah.
Yep.
That's our extension. 858-2617.
Perfect.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Can we just get your name so we know who we spoke with?
Investigator Mayo.
All right, appreciate it. Thanks again. Appreciate your service.
Yeah, what I'm gonna do.
Well, we kind of got off on the wrong foot with investigating.